Cengage Mind Tap instructions for week 3, lessons 34 and 35. For the word drills, remember you first need to be active in the simulated Word document by either holding your mouse and just clicking, or Control F9 will make you active in the window. Then you'll select the mailing address, choose Mailings, Envelope, and this is the delivery address of who it's going to. This is where you would type your return address, but in the directions they want you to omit it, so go ahead and click Omit, and then add this to your document. So it's its envelope that you would print separate from the letter. Here we're going to create one that's already has the information typed in. So again, Control F9 to be active in the window, or just click, and then choose Envelope, and it's already typed in the delivery address, and then go ahead and print. This one will add to the address to the envelope, so just choose Mailings and Envelope. There it is. And add to document. Lesson 35, modified block letter with word drills. There are 7 tasks in this word drill, and remember to activate the screen, either Control F9 or click in the screen to make it active. And we're setting tabs in this section. So the first thing you do is select paragraph, and then click the little diagonal arrow, which is the paragraph dialog box launcher, and then we'll go to tabs in the bottom left corner, and they want us to put one at 3.25 as a left tab, which is the default. Click Set and OK. Again, Control F9 or click in the document so that it's flashing within the simulated Word document. And then you'll just type what you see over here in the box, October 6th. Enter twice. Then click Check Your Work. No errors. Continue. Again, Control F9 so that you're active in the window. Set another tab, but only at the 1-inch mark. And if you see right here, that's the last tab that we set at 3.25. It shows on the ruler as a left tab, and we're going to set one here now. So choose Paragraph, the dialog box launcher, Tabs, type 1 right over the 3.25, Set. So now you have both tabs in there, and OK. And there you can see it in there. Next one, Control F9, or just click in the document and type enclosures, colon, check your work. Good, continue. In here, again, Control F9, and the first thing you do, when you see an arrow, that means to press the tab key, and then type what you see. And then if you notice this is a hook arrow versus the paragraph symbol, they want these 2 lines close together. So to lose that gap between the 2 lines, what you need to do is hold Shift, then press Enter. It keeps the 2 lines close together. Tab again. And then check your work. And it comes up as a missed paragraph because at the end, you can see it in blue, I didn't press Enter there. So you want to make sure that when you see this symbol, you press Enter and then continue. Set another tab. Again, Control F9 so that you're active in the window. Paragraph. This is going to be 1/2 inch, so it's going to be right here. Dialog box launcher, tabs, 0.5. Set, so now we have 3 tabs, and OK. Again, Control F9 so that you're active in the window. You'll type C by itself, don't type that semicolon, then press Tab. And again, don't press that semicolon, that's just separating it. And this time make sure you use Shift, Enter, keep it close together, Tab, press enter. So you have the shift enter and then enter by itself. Check your work and continue. Now remember, when you're doing the tasks and if you can't complete them all at one sitting, do not click submit. Just click X so that when you come back to finish it, it'll take you to where you left off. Thank you.